Some gadget, which will make your kitchen work easier and beautiful and will help you cook beautifully. The OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale is a reliable kitchen companion designed to meet your weighing needs with precision. Manufactured by OXO, a renowned brand known for quality kitchen products, this scale combines functionality with durability. With a weight limit of 11 pounds, this scale can accurately measure ingredients in increments as small as +/0.1 ounces or +/1 g, ensuring precise cooking and baking results. The large backlit display and pull-out design make it easy to read measurements, even in low-light conditions made from stainless steel. This food scale is not only sleek in design, but also easy to clean and maintain. Its compact form factor and portable nature make it convenient for storage and transportation, making it ideal for both home kitchens and professional settings. Equipped with a counter-scale weigh scale type and the bale,
this is an amazing gadget that will amaze you. The Puldum electric milk frother and steamer, model PUL 002, is a modern and efficient kitchen appliance that enhances your home coffee brewing experience. Designed with a sleek black plastic exterior, this electric frother and steamer features a 350 milliliter capacity, making it suitable for residential use. One notable special feature of this product is the auto shut-off function, providing convenience and safety during operation. The included wire whip ensures optimal frothing for your favorite beverages, while the 1,000-watt power source guarantees quick and efficient performance. In terms of maintenance, the Puldum electric milk frother and steamer requires hand washing only to retain its quality and performance. With package dimensions of 8.15 inches, 6.38 inches, 4.69 inches, and weighing 1.98 pounds, this appliance is compact and easy to store in your kitchen. Manufactured by Peloru in China, this milk frothy and steamer
is an awesome gadget and very smart. This higher torque electric jar opener by KitchenMa is a game changer for seniors with arthritis or anyone who struggles with opening jars. The sleek white design complements any kitchen decor, and the BPA-free material ensures safety in food handling. Measuring at 7.28 inches, 4.33 inches, 2.75 inches, this jar opener is compact and easy to store. The stainless steel blade guarantees durability and efficiency in opening almost all jar sizes effortlessly. With an automatic operation mode, this electric jar opener takes the hassle out of opening jars, making it user-friendly for everyone. In case of any issues, the manufacturer provides excellent customer support via email and phone during office hours. The product dimensions of 2.83 W x 4.33 H make it a practical addition to any kitchen, and its light weight of 14.9 ounces ensures easy handling. The item has received positive customer reviews, with a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 5,000.
A wonderful gadget that will make frying eggs to make your omelet easier and tastier. The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Timer, 25490A, is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline and enhance your breakfast routine. This sandwich maker, in an elegant silver color with a sleek plastic construction, boasts a manual operation feature which allows you to customize your sandwiches to perfection. With product dimensions of 8 inches in diameter, 10.5 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, this compact appliance won't take up much counter space. The 1,200 watts of power ensure quick and efficient cooking performance, with the unit weighing just 4.8 pounds for easy handling. Included with the sandwich maker are quick and easy recipes, making meal preparation a breeze. The silver double style adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the 120 volts ensure compatibility with most standard outlets. The Global Trade Identification Numbers, GTIN, for
Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper with an ASIN of B0C5 MLQXTK offers an efficient and convenient solution for all your kitchen needs. Ranked at #1, 552 in food processors, and #1, 370,471 in kitchen and dining, this product combines versatility and functionality for a wide range of food preparation tasks. Featuring a user-friendly design, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper has quickly become a popular choice among consumers. Its compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, while its powerful motor ensures quick and efficient processing of various ingredients. One of the key advantages of this food processor is its ability to chop, puree, and mix ingredients with precision, allowing you to create a variety